Okay folks, here we are at Tallgrass Village Patio Homes, just between Okoboji and Spirit Lake. We're going to focus this video on 4513, which is a 3-stall garage, 2-bed, 2-bath. It's one of the few it's the only partially finished one that we have on the market, except for 4 out of the 5 here. They just they're finishing up the framing on 4 out of 5. One of these is sold, and we have 4 left for sale there. As you look here, there's only one of these finished units here for sale. Most of these have been sold, but there's 4505, which we have a video of, that's also for sale, which is also a 2-bed, 2-bath with the same layout, but it's only a 2-car garage. Now the benefit with 4513 is really the location, but I want you to focus on A, the size of this garage, and B, how much parking you get with this driveway. If you look at other patio home developments, a lot of times you get small garage, small driveway, so that's a huge benefit. But take a look at the curb appeal, the stone, the pillars. Just a really nice development. Like I say, just south of the YMCA, we're right on the edge of the trails, and so you have access everywhere. You're close to retail, close to the hospital, close to the YMCA. It's just an excellent location. So like I say, we just videoed 4505, which is the same exact layout, and it's finished. And so if you want to see what a finished product looks like, we can get you that video link as well. But this one, the benefit, there's 2 benefits really. This is the main one. As you look out the back, you have this little pond here, and all kinds of privacy, all kinds of space. Okay, so this is one of the best units available. So we have the kitchen area here. Okay, we have closet and pantry, more storage for shelves. I want to look at this. Sorry for all the stuff, but trying to give you an idea of the space of this garage is just huge, and it's finished. Okay, so the main benefits with Tallgrass Village is that you have dues of $85 a month. That's it. So they're trying to make this as maintenance free as possible. Takes care of your lawn care, takes care of your snow removal. And so, you know, it's ideal for somebody that A, doesn't want to do that maintenance, or B, you know, a second home for someone that you know, may live south of here or whatever, and doesn't want to worry about the maintenance. So right here would be the dining room. Like I say, we can get you a link to 4503, which will show a finished product. But yeah, utility there. They have convenient laundry there, and then a coat closet. Then we have the living room space there. Then we come into a full bath here. It'll have a single vanity sink. Okay. We have the guest bedroom here. And again, look at this privacy that you get. So right there is the trail. So you jump on the trail, go for a walk, and just imagine the fun wildlife. I mean, there's going to be pheasants and turkey and deer and whatnot around here, which you can just sit and enjoy and watch. So, bedroom 1. And then we have the master bedroom. Okay. A very generous walk-in closet. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of the layout. And then we have the master bathroom, double vanity sink, and then another tub shower. Okay, and that's where the toilet will go, in the corner there. So as you walk out of the bedroom, you look straight in the living room. Then you have this covered patio too. Let's not forget about that. So you're sitting outside in a spring rain, you can just sit out on the patio and enjoy it. All right. So again, 4513. This is absolutely one of the best values left out here at Tallgrass. No question about it. And this is really the main reason why.